Have you ever wondered if it's possible and healthy to improve your girth? Whether you're thinking about it for personal confidence, intimate relationships, or just curiosity, you're not alone. Surveys suggest that concerns about size, particularly girth, are common, but often not openly discussed. Today we're going to unpack what girth actually means, the science behind it, and safe, realistic ways to approach improvement, without falling for risky fads or misinformation. 2. Understanding girth. In a sexual health context, girth refers to the circumference or thickness of the penis. Unlike length, girth can play a significant role in perceived fullness during intimacy, and for some men, it's tied to self-esteem. Why does girth vary? Genetics play a big role, just like with height, foot size, or hair type. Erection quality, blood flow, hormone balance, and general vascular health affects temporary thickness. Lifestyle factors, diet, exercise, and smoking can subtly influence vascular health and therefore firmness. 3. Common misconceptions. Let's clear the air. No magic pill, oil, or quick fix device has been proven to safely and permanently increase girth. The FDA warns that many male enhancement supplements are unregulated and can contain harmful hidden ingredients. Many internet before and after claims are exaggerated, edited, or rely on temporary swelling that doesn't last. Permanent changes usually require medical procedures, and those have both risks and benefits that should be carefully considered with a licensed urologist. 4. Safe evidence-based options. According to the American Urological Association and peer-reviewed studies, here are the main medically recognized approaches. Improve vascular health. Better blood flow equals better erection quality equals improved temporary girth. Think of your penis like a balloon. The more effectively you can fill it, the fuller it gets. Ways to improve blood flow. Cardio exercise, e.g. brisk walking, swimming, cycling, 150 minutes/week. Balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Quitting smoking. Nicotine narrows blood vessels. Managing stress and sleep. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which affects hormone balance. B. Pelvic floor training. Kegel exercises aren't just for women. They strengthen the muscles at the base of the penis, improving erection rigidity and sometimes girth. Example: squeeze the muscles you'd use to stop urination midstream. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, relax for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 to 15 times, 2 to 3 times per day. C. Medical and surgical options. Only for those with significant concern and after consulting a board-certified urologist. Dermal fillers. Temporary thickness boost lasting months to years. Fat transfer or grafts. More invasive, variable results, higher risk. Penile implants. Primarily for erectile dysfunction, not cosmetic girth enhancement. Research shows satisfaction rates vary widely, and complications, like scarring or loss of sensation, are possible. 5. What to avoid. Unverified stretching or pumping gadgets. While vacuum devices can help with ED under medical guidance, misuse can cause bruising or damage. Injections from unlicensed providers. Risk of infection, tissue death, and disfigurement. Random supplements. Many contain undeclared drugs that can harm your heart or liver. If improving girth is on your mind, start by optimizing overall health. Your penis is part of your vascular system, so heart-healthy habits directly benefit sexual function. If you have sudden changes in girth, shape, or function, see a urologist early. Conditions like Peyronie's disease or low testosterone can be treated more effectively when caught early. Approach any procedure with realistic expectations. Improvements may be subtle, and safety should always come first.